Hello everyone. I'm going to how to set up invoice creation for sample orders. First, we need to set up the invoice issuer. In this case, we'll create two series of invoices to separate the invoice issuance process. After creating the series, we'll access the issuer's settings and set up all the necessary tax information. To create these invoices, we need to add the special transaction nature in Bling and then update it here so we can select it. Now let's access the integration settings screen to mark an important setting to continue with the automation process. Here on the settings screen, in these last parameters, we'll select the additional field type so that whenever the order is sample order, the system will add this information to the order. Once this is done, we'll move on to the Automation tab to create a specific automation flow for sample orders. Let's talk about the conditions. The trigger will be the order has been paid. The source should be any TikTok account. And most importantly, we'll add a condition to filter only orders that have the additional field set to type and contain the phrase free single order. After that, we define the tasks. The first task will be to issue the invoice. We'll select the invoice series that we created specifically for these orders and save it. This way, whenever a sample order is downloaded to Base, the system will automatically execute this task to generate the invoice. We can also perform this process manually, as I showed in the previous video about issuing invoices. Let me show you how it works with a real order. Here on the orders screen, we already have a test order created with the condition that we defined. We'll select the specific invoice series, and the system will issue the invoice according to the configuration that we just defined. And that's the complete process for issuing invoices for sample orders.